Hello friends, welcome back to another video. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Apex Legends Season 29 Split 2 game. Lagging, freezing, low FPS, stuttering issue on PC. So let's go through the methods. Well, the very first method is to check system requirements of the game. So for that, you have to go to Steam and search for the game. Here is the system requirement. Make sure your PC have all the required specs that is mentioned over here, and after that try to launch the game and check. Next is to restart your PC. This is an important step, don't miss it out. Simply click on the power Windows icon, then click on power and then select restart. So this will restart your PC. After your PC restart, launch the game and check if it's working. If not, next is to run the game as administrator. So for that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on manage. Now click on browse local files. This will take you to the game folder where your game has been installed. Here is the game applications, select it. Now right click on it, click on properties, click on compatibility, and here select run this program as an administrator, click on apply and OK. After that, launch the game and check. If this doesn't work, come back again. Now select run this program in compatibility mode for. Select Windows 8 or Windows 7, hit on apply and OK, and after that launch the game and check. If this also doesn't work, come back again, select disable full screen optimizations, click on apply and OK, and after that launch the game and check if it's working. But if the issue still continues, come back again, uncheck all of these, hit on apply and OK, and move to the next method. Well, the next method, allow the game through firewall. So for that, go to the search option, search for Windows security. After that, here you have to click on firewall and network protection, click on allow an app through firewall, click on change settings. After that, here you have to search for the game. If it's not listed, you have to click on allow another app, click on browse. After that, go to the game folder, select the application, add it to the list over here. After that, select the game, make sure both private and public boxes are ticked, and then click on OK. Finally, launch the game and check. Next is to delete easy anti-cheat folder. So for that, you have to go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on manage. Now click on browse local files. This will take you to the game folder where your game has been installed. Here you can see easy anti-cheat folder. You have to delete it. You can keep a copy of it. So you have to delete easy anti-cheat folder, as well as go below and also select start underscore protected underscore game. So you have to delete both of them. So simply select it and delete. And after that, again go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties, click on install files, and then click on verify integrity of game files. So this will install the easy anti-cheat folder once again and remove the corrupted files, and hopefully you can play the game once again. But if the issue still continues, then move to the next method. Next is to update your graphics card. So for that, go to the search option. Now search for device manager. Now here you have to expand display adapter, select your graphics card, right click on it, click on update driver, and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will check and update your graphics drivers. After that, launch the game and check. NVIDIA and AMD users, go through the link already given in the description, and you can easily update your graphics card from there. Next method is to repair anti-cheat. So for that, you have to go to the folder where your game has been installed. So click on manage, click on browse local files. So this will take you to the game folder where your game has been installed. Then you have to click on easy anti-cheat folder, and after that you have to run easy anti-cheat underscore EOS underscore setup as an administrator. So simply right click on it and then click on run as administrator. After you have done this, you will get repair option. So click on repair, and once you have repaired it, now restart your PC, and once your PC restarts, again launch the game and check if the game is launching or not. If not, next is to modify launch option. So for that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game. Now right click on it, click on properties, and under general here you have to type -DX11, and after that launch the game and check if it's working. If this doesn't work, come back again, type -DX12, and then try to launch the game and check if it's working now. But if the issue still continues, come back again, remove the launch option, and move to the next method. Next method is to check graphic settings of the game. So when a graphic settings are not properly set up, like texture quality, resolution, etc., then it directly impacts the game, and this is where the game can crash or suffer from other issues. So make sure to set up the settings properly, or even lower the graphic settings to avoid any kind of unwanted issues. Next is to update Windows. So make sure your Windows is up to date. For that, go to the search option. Now search for settings. After that, here you have to click on Windows update option, click on check for updates. This will check if there is any update available. If yes, update your Windows to the latest version, and after that launch the game and check. Next is to verify integrity of game files. So for that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties, click on install files, and then click on verify integrity of game files. So this may take some time, wait for it. Once the game files are verified, launch the game, and check if it's working. Next is to install Visual C++ file. So for that I have already provided the link in the description. Just copy and paste it in your browser. Once the website opens, go below. From here you have to click on the link to download. This will download Visual C++ files. Once it is downloaded, you have to open it. You will get a repair or install option. Click on repair. Once you get setup successful message, now close this. After that, restart your PC. Once your PC restarts, again log into the game and check if you can play the game. Next is to run the game on dedicated graphics card. So for that, go to the search option, search for graphics settings, and after that, here you have to add your game to the list. So for that, click on add desktop app. After that, you have to go to the game folder where your game has been installed. Select the application, add it to the list over here. Now after adding the game to the list, you have to click on the arrow icon, and under GPU preference you have to select high performance, and after that log into the game and check if you can play it. Next method is to disable in-game overlays. So Steam users, just go to Steam, select your game, under library section, right click on it, click on properties. Now here under general you can see enable the Steam overlay while in game option. If this is enabled, you have to click on it to disable it. Once you disable this, now launch the game and check. Next is to update your game. So if there is any update available for your game, you have to update it. You can see over here an update option. So simply update your game, and after that launch the game and check. Next is to change virtual memory settings. For that, go to the search option. Now search for view advanced system settings. After that, here you have to click on settings, click on advanced, click on change. Select the drive where your game has been installed. After that, select custom size. In the initial size you have to type 12288, and the maximum size you have to type 24576. Now click on set and then click on OK. After that, launch the game and check if it's working. If all the above methods fail to solve the problem, then you are suggested to reinstall the game. So for that, go to Steam, select your game under library section, right click on it, click on manage, now click on uninstall, finally click on uninstall option. So this will completely remove the game from your PC. After that, restart your PC. Once your PC restarts, again launch Steam and again reinstall Apex Legends Season 29 Split 2 game, and finally click on the play button to check if it's working or not.